even na crayfish. Crayfish on na Walmart. So warm get. Good anymore. Oh, turtle.
Oh, turtle.
Oma.
Oma.
Good morning. Good, but that's the meaning. Berry Henry is come and eat.
Very nearly.
Berry Henry. Yes. Akbaramu Akbamu. Say it. Akbaramu Akbamu.
Akbarabam.
This we keep on learning. Say it. Akbaramu Akbamu. No, say it well. Akbaramu Akbamu.
Akbarabam.
Akbaramu. Akbamu. Say it. Akbaramu. Akbaramu. Akbamu. Igbo is the best language to learn. Akbaramu Akbamu, you know. That's it. Akbamu. I should learn English. I should speak English. Learn my own language. Akbaramu Akbamu. Say it. Akbaramu. Akbamu. We keep on learning. As we are learning, that's the meaning. As we keep on learning this, we are learning now. You keep on learning, that's the meaning. Akbaramu.